Welcome to Outrigger Resort. Aloha. Oh my gosh, what's that? Daddy! There's a mongoose. I think it's a mongoose. Oh, there's a cat too. This resort is full of wildlife.
Christchurch is cool with earthquake. This is cool with lava rocks.
But look at all the plants growing out of them. This is so unique.
It's actually fertile, very, very fertile. That's why.
Yeah, apparently, eh? Look how unique. This is so pretty. And she found this flower. Aloha, Daddy. If you're from the South Pacific and you've visited one of the South Pacific islands, then the chances are you've already seen one of these Luau shows, or we call them the fire dance shows. Basically, you get buffet with entertainment, the stage is set up with lights. If you get to stay on one of the resorts that host these shows, chances are you can probably see the show from your own balcony without the price tag. Oh my god. Ooh, nice and cold in here. Ooh, look at that open bathroom. Yay, bathtub! There's 2 doubles. Oh, nice garden.